Hello 18! Welcome back to my channel. Good update tayo at fresh update. Thank you for clicking this video sa ating SB19 update. Ito nga, sold out na ang P-Pop Power Concert ng SB19, handog ng Watson playlist. At ngayong August 18 na po yan, sold out na po ang ticket. Ibig sabihin lahat ng ticket ay nabili na. Puno na ang venue at sold out na. Of course, handog ng Watson playlist at kasama dyan ang nag-iisang SB19 na boy band na pinakasikat at talaga namang maraming fans ang dumagsa at sumaludo para sa kanilang concert na huge crowd talaga ang mangyayari ngayong August 18. Sold out na po.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone, and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.